Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enter the SIM card and memory card into your Samsung G4 or G4 4 Plus. You need to get a special key, put it into the small hole here, and here are the place for the SIM card. Place in it here and put the SIM card. This is the SIM 1 slot. If you have a second SIM, you can put it here because the smartphone is the dual SIM version. Here is the SIM 2. Yep. Oh yeah, I hope you see that. And if you have a memory card, you can place it here and put it into your smartphone here. Voila, that's all. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, see you by next video. Hey!